Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to begin a tutorial about Postman tool. So, Postman tool is an API client tool which is helpful to develop the APIs, test the APIs, and share the documentation of APIs, as well as we can manage the tests using this Postman tool. So, today's session we are going to discuss how to install the Postman tool into our machine. So, for that, open your browser and search for Postman now. Click on the download Postman app link. So it will take you to the official webpage of Postman. So click on the download button to start the download process. So you need to follow the same process for Mac OS or Linux OS. So currently I'm using my Windows machine. So I'm just starting the download process by clicking on the download button. So based on the bitrate, so select the application based on the bitrate of your machine. So currently I'm using 64-bit. So click on it. It will start the download process. So once the download is complete, click on the .exe file from the downloads. It will show you a pop-up with run and cancel buttons. So if you want to install, click on the run button. So now I am clicking on cancel as I have my Postman tool in my machine. So once you successfully install the application, it will show you like this. So you need to log in with your account because it is useful when you are using the application in other machines as well. Suppose as it will store all the requests or all the collections which you are creating in Postman tool, which we are going to discuss about all these in the coming lectures, so that it is helpful for you to access the same request in other machines as well. So I am logging in with my Google account. So click on continue to sign in. If you already logged in, so click on your account. So once you are able to sign in, we can see the application homepage. So which is showing as Launchpad, which contains all the shortcuts for creating a request, creating a collection, etc. So we are going to discuss about UI interface in the coming lectures. So that's all for now. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow the coming lectures. Thank you so much.